Hey musicians! Looking to keep your guitar perfectly in tune without the hassle? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best digital guitar tuners that every player from beginner to pro should check out. Let's jump right in. At number 5, we have the Flanger FT-12C Digital Guitar Tuner. The Flanger FT-12C Digital Guitar Tuner is a versatile and efficient tool designed for musicians of all levels. One of its standout features is its 360-degree rotating clip, offering maximum flexibility for easy attachment at any angle. This rotation capability ensures that the tuner can be positioned perfectly, regardless of the instrument or angle. The tuner also boasts an anti-skid design, made possible by the high-quality silicone material of the sound clip. This ensures that the clip not only stays securely in place but also protects the body of the instrument from any potential damage, providing peace of mind during use. With high sensitivity and rapid response, the FT-12C is equipped with 12 tuning modes, supporting a wide range of instruments, including guitars, basses, violins, and ukuleles. This broad functionality makes it a practical tool for musicians playing different instruments, ensuring accurate tuning every time. Operating the Flanger FT-12C is straightforward with its simple 2-button design. The 2 buttons are used for powering the device on and off, selecting the tuning mode, and adjusting the A4 pitch. The intuitive controls make it easy for anyone to use, regardless of experience. Additionally, the tuner features a color LCD display with red, yellow, blue, and white indicators, clearly showing the tuning results. This easy-to-read interface ensures musicians can quickly and accurately tune their instruments, even in varying lighting conditions. Next up, at number 4, we have the Musedo TM-25 Digital Guitar Tuner. The Musedo TM-25 Digital Guitar Tuner is a compact and portable device designed to provide accurate tuning for a variety of string instruments. With its small and exquisite appearance, it's easy to carry around, making it perfect for musicians on the go. Whether you're a guitarist, bassist, or playing instruments like the violin or ukulele, this tuner offers versatile functionality. The tuner features a bright backlight and a clear LCD display, ensuring perfect visibility even in low light conditions. This makes tuning your instrument quick and straightforward, no matter where you are. The device also comes with a 360-degree rotatable clip, allowing for easy adjustment to your preferred angle. This clip design makes the tuner both simple and practical, as it can be easily attached to your instrument for secure use. To further enhance convenience, the Musedo TM-25 includes an auto power-off function. If no signal is detected or the device remains inactive for 5 minutes, it automatically shuts off to save power. This energy-saving feature is particularly useful for extending the lifespan of the device. The tuner is compatible with a wide range of instruments, including guitar, chromatic, bass, violin, and ukulele C tuning, offering flexibility for musicians who play multiple stringed instruments. Whether you're tuning a standard guitar or a ukulele, the Musedo TM-25 ensures precision and ease, making it an excellent choice for musicians of all skill levels. Taking the 3rd spot is the Youyan Digital Guitar Tuner. The Youyan Digital Guitar Tuner is a reliable and highly accurate tool for stringed instrument players. Designed to quickly and precisely detect the vibrations of various instruments, it allows musicians to achieve rapid and accurate tuning. The ultra-sensitive tuner can adapt to different musical frequencies, ensuring that your instrument sounds its best every time. Ideal for a wide range of stringed instruments, this tuner works flawlessly with acoustic, electric, and bass guitars, as well as ukuleles, banjos, and violins. Its built-in vibration sensor ensures that it performs well in noisy environments, making it perfect for use in any setting, whether you're practicing at home or tuning in a crowded place. One of the standout features of the Youyan tuner is its 360-degree rotatable screen. This flexible design enables users to adjust the viewing angle to their preference, ensuring that tuning is always easy and comfortable. Whether you're tuning on stage or in the studio, this tuner offers the perfect balance of functionality and convenience. Durability is another strong point of this tuner. The clip-on design is robust and built to last, ensuring long-term use. Additionally, the tuner is equipped with an automatic shut-off function, powering down after 3 minutes of inactivity, which helps conserve battery life and prolong the device's lifespan. Perfect as a gift for any musician, the Youyan digital guitar tuner makes an excellent present for special occasions like birthdays, Christmas, or Thanksgiving. Whether for an experienced player or a beginner, this tuner is sure to be appreciated and will become an essential accessory in their musical journey. Coming in at number 2 is the Aroma AT-01A digital guitar tuner. The Aroma AT-01A digital guitar tuner is a compact, clip-on tuner designed for a variety of string instruments, including guitar, bass, ukulele, and violin. Its versatility makes it an excellent choice for musicians who play multiple instruments or those who are just getting started and need a reliable tuner for different string types. This tuner operates with the simplicity of a one-button function, making it incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. Its straightforward design ensures that tuning your instrument is hassle-free, providing a quick and efficient solution for accurate tuning, whether you're at home, in a studio, or on stage. The LCD display is user-friendly, featuring a 2-color backlight system. When the instrument is in tune, the display glows green, providing clear, immediate feedback. If the pitch is off, the display turns white, signaling that adjustment is needed. This color-coded system allows for quick visual reference, ensuring that tuning is both intuitive and precise. One of the standout features of the Aroma AT-01A is its rotatable design. This allows the tuner to be adjusted to the optimal viewing angle, whether you're standing or sitting, and regardless of where you clip it on your instrument. The flexible design ensures that musicians can easily see the display from a comfortable position, enhancing the overall tuning experience. Ideal for musicians looking to achieve the most accurate tuning, the Aroma AT-01A makes the process efficient and accessible. Whether you're tuning a guitar, bass, ukulele, or violin, this tuner offers convenience and reliability to ensure that your instrument is always perfectly tuned. And finally, our top pick, the Joyo JMT-03 digital guitar tuner. The Joyo JMT-03 digital guitar tuner is a versatile tool designed to meet the needs of musicians. This compact device functions as both a tuner and a metronome, making it an essential accessory for guitarists, bassists, and other instrumentalists. The tuner provides accurate and sensitive tuning across a wide range, ensuring precise performance every time. One of the standout features of the JMT-03 is its 360-degree rotating display, which offers flexibility in positioning the tuner for easy viewing. This makes it simple to adjust the angle for maximum comfort while tuning or practicing. Whether you're tuning your guitar, bass, or another instrument, the JMT-03 ensures that you have a clear and accurate display. The tuner offers 2 different tuning modes, MIC and clip, giving musicians the option to tune using either the built-in microphone or the clip-on option. The MIC mode allows you to use the tuner in a more open setting, while the clip mode provides a direct, focused reading from your instrument. In addition to its tuning capabilities, the JMT-03 includes a metronome with a tap tempo function, allowing musicians to set and adjust the tempo to suit their practice needs. This dual functionality adds convenience, providing both a tuning and timekeeping solution in one compact device. Powered by a CR2032 button battery, the Joyo JMT-03 is a reliable and portable tool for musicians, whether practicing at home or performing on stage. Its multifunctional design and ease of use make it a practical choice for musicians of all levels.